everyone! Today we're going to learn how to make something super fun and special, a wish tree. This is a cool way to express your hopes and dreams, and it's really easy to make. By the end of this video, you will be able to create your own wish tree using simple materials. Also to decorate it with wishes and share what they mean. Ready? Let's get crafting! Here's what you need to get started. Some twigs or small branches. You can find this in your backyard or a park. Small vase or jar to hold your branches. Colorful papers or cards. String or ribbon. Scissors and a pen or marker. Got everything? Awesome! Let's move on to step 1. First, take your twigs and place them in the vase or jar so they look like one branch of a tree. Make sure they are stable so they don't tip over. Now, it's time to add some magic. Cut out small pieces of colorful paper. This will be your wish cards. On each card, write down a wish. It can be something for yourself, your family, your friends, or even the world. See? It's simple and fun. Now punch a small hole in the top of each card and tie the string through it. You can give your personal touch and have fun making wishes. Tie your wish cards to the branches of your tree. Add as many as you want. Fill it up with all the wishes your heart desires. And there you have it, your very own wish tree. Place it somewhere you'll see often and let it remind you of your hopes and dreams. Let's quickly go over what we did. We set up branches in a vase. We wrote down wishes on colorful cards. We tied and hung them on the tree. I hope you had fun making your wish tree. Remember, dreams are important and it's always good to keep them close. Thanks for joining me, and don't forget to share your wish tree with your friends or family. See you next time, Wishmakers. Bye!